Hello, welcome to another mini podcast. Today, we're going to talk about ordering meat in a restaurant. A useful topic, especially people who are new to an English-speaking country. We'll cover different kinds of meat, including beef, pork, chicken, and fish, and introduce you to key vocabulary and common phrases. Let's get started. When you enter a restaurant, you might see a menu with various types of meat. Let's review some important words. You might see options like sirloin, ribeye, tenderloin, and prime rib. Each type of beef has its own flavor and texture. For example, ribeye is known for its marbling, while tenderloin is very soft. Pork. Look for items such as pork chop, ham, bacon, or roast pork. These can be served and cooked in different ways. They could be grilled, slow cooked, or roasted. Common chicken choices include grilled chicken, roast chicken, fried chicken, and there's different parts of the chicken: chicken breast and chicken thigh. Notice that breast is lean, while thigh tends to be juicier. Some popular options of fish might be salmon, cod, tuna, or trout. Sometimes you will see fillet. This means that the meat is boneless. Let's go over some phrases you can use when ordering meat at a restaurant. Starting the conversation, you may say, "Good evening. Could I see the menu, please? What meat options do you have today?" "I'd like the ribeye steak, medium rare, please." There are different ways to cook a steak. It could be rare, medium rare, medium, or well done. Most people choose medium rare. "Could I have the pork chop with a side of vegetables?" "May I order the grilled chicken breast?" "I'll have the salmon fillet, lightly seasoned," which means with just a little salt and pepper. Seasoning, lightly seasoned. You could also ask the waitress for recommendations. "What is your most popular beef dish? Do you have any chef recommendations for pork dishes?" If you are confused, you could ask the waitress for clarification, or you could modify the order. Could you explain the difference between sirloin and tenderloin? "I prefer my steak well done. Could you make it that way?" "Is the fish fresh today?" Here's an example dialogue between a customer and a waiter. "Good evening. I'd like to order, please. What beef cuts do you recommend?" "Our ribeye and tenderloin are very popular. How would you like your steak cooked?" I'll have the ribeye, medium rare, please. And could you also bring the grilled chicken breast as a side? Of course. Anything to drink? Just water, thank you. That wraps up our mini podcast on ordering meat in a restaurant. Practice these phrases and vocabulary to feel more confident when you dine out. Remember, it's okay to ask questions if you're unsure about a dish or its preparation. If you want to listen to more episodes, subscribe to Caribou English and check out our playlist for mini podcasts. Have a great day and happy eating.